Hello, this is Sherry. I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute kitten face. So let's get started. First, you're going to draw a round oval shape. This is going to be for the head. Next, you're going to draw a cross intersecting in the middle of the face. And you'll see that it's not going to be perfectly in the middle there. See, the bottom line kind of comes down low, and that's what makes the kitten's face so cute. And you'll see how that works in a minute. So now we're going to draw the nose. Make an upside down triangle and put it right there in the middle where the two lines intersect. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. And now we're going to draw the chin. After you're done drawing the chin, it's time to draw the eyes. And notice that I'm using a very loose gestural drawing, so you'll see that it's not perfectly even, and that's okay. You just go back and re-outline. There we go. Okay, it's time to draw in the ears. Now, if you ever look at a kitten, part of what makes them so cute is that they have their big, beautiful ears on top of their cute little heads. So this kitten's going to have very large ears, like big triangles. And again, it's okay if you don't draw it perfectly symmetrical, because you can always work that out. Time to fill in the sides of the face. And these are the little tufts of hair on the cheeks for the kitty. And still reworking and straightening out the lines. Because like I said, they're not perfect right when you first draw it. And you just do what feels right. If it looks too big or too small, you can go fix it. So now it's time to draw in the eyes. And draw two little circles, one in each eye. This is the reflective light, and it makes your kitten doubly cute. Always put a little reflection right there. There's the pupils. Now we put in the whiskers. Next it's time to outline your cute cat. And you just go over the lines and don't worry about how messy it all looks, because you're going to be erasing all the extra pencil lines when you're done. And if you feel like you want to draw the line a little bit differently than when you first drew it in with a pencil, that's okay too. You go with your gut instincts. Sometimes you just realize after looking at it that it looks better with a different line. Time to outline the eyes. And while you're doing your outlining, keep your wrist nice and loose. That'll help you have a smoother outline. And as you can see, there are plenty of times where I make choices, like here on the whiskers. I don't follow those pencil lines absolutely perfect when I do my final outline, and that's perfectly okay. And now that the kitty cat has been outlined, it's time to erase all those extra pencil lines. You can use a kneaded eraser, or you can use a pink eraser. I usually like the kneaded eraser because they're stretchy and they're very easy to clean and they don't smudge. So, time to erase all those excess lines. And as you can see, it's kind of like magic when you get rid of all the gestural strokes. you can really see your illustration come together. Next, it's time to do a little embellishing. It's good to fill in the pupils of the eyes with the solid black. It'll make your cat much more realistic. And if you want, you can add in some other features like little tabby stripes if you want to do a tabby cat. And they usually have stripes going across the top of their head and on the sides of their face. And then a little bit of black on the tips of the ears. So now you have a complete cute kitten. I hope you enjoyed this art tutorial. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your suggestions for other art tutorials. If you have any other animals you'd like to learn how to draw, and please subscribe and share with your friends.